First, fresh cassava roots are peeled and thoroughly cleaned. They are then typically sliced into smaller pieces or chips. The crucial step involves sun drying these cassava pieces until they become hard, brittle, and significantly reduced in moisture content. First, fresh cassava roots are peeled and thoroughly cleaned. They are typically sliced into smaller pieces of chips. The crucial step involves sun drying these cassava pieces until they become hard, brittle, and significantly reduced in moisture content. Known as Gaplek.